Alrighty, welcome back to another tutorial from Blanks to Go. With shipping delays and everything at the ports, things are getting harder and people are wondering what crafts or what you can do or what you can add to your store to sell. So today I figure I would show you how to create a simple greeting card cover. You could use it for passport cover or whatever else, using some of the dolls or boss, if you've heard of that, which is feathers of style, which kind of looks something like these are backgrounds. Let's see here. But these are the foss. If you've heard the term, you'll see the dolls as feathers of style here on Instagram, Etsy. And I do a lot of shopping with them. They sell different backgrounds, as you can see. Let's see. Featured items. I'm trying to see where you can see some of the most famous. But you'll see like a lot of the little dolls like these. One of the most famous sets or infamous sets that's going around are the denim ones. D-E-N-I-N. I think that's how you spell it. But you see these dolls going around and everyone always wants to know where they can get them. You can get them from here. They're $13.28, but a lot of times you can catch them on sale. See, they have different hair types and hair structures as well. So we are going to play with some things like this today and create a greeting card cover. So I am going to start off with Affinity Designer. It's kind of like Photoshop. I'm not an expert in it, so you can watch my screen as I go along. What I'm going to do is start off with creating a new document. Because I'm making these for print and I want a photo, I know what size I want it. I'm going to go ahead and go with the 5x7. So I have up here in photos clicked 5x7 because I want it to be landscape. Okay. And the only thing I have transparency over here, so it'll be nice and clear. 300 DPI, create. And there goes my workboard. Okay. So now I have a lot of backgrounds saved on my hard drive. So the only thing I'm going to do is go to place. And when I go to place, go to my hard drive. And let's see here, because you'll see I have a lot of sub images. We'll use one of the Foss backgrounds today. How about that? Let's see. Scenes. How about a couple meeting in the bar? So you see it gives me all of these wonderful options to add to my bar. And I'm going to cheat a little bit and already choose kind of a pre-selected bar to save a little time. And just place that here. Now I'm going to shrink this down. I'm using Control and the minus button so I can go backwards. And I'm just shrinking this out so that way I can guide this into about the size that I want it. Bring it back up. Look at it. And I'm just sizing it using my arrow keys, just pulling everything down. Okay. Now, let's see. What else do I want in the bar? Maybe someone needs a place to sit in the bar, right? So I'm going to go back to place. Bam, there's a bench. Bring that bench and just click place. And again, size it down. Okay. You can decide and determine how many benches or whatever else you need in your bar scene. Let's see, what else do they have in the scene for us as options? I'll just stick with that. Do we need the light? Let's see what the light looks like in the bar. Oh, it already has lights, so we don't need the light. We're going to skip the light. Okay, so we have our chair for now. Now what we need to do is we need to find our people, right? So for them, I am going to use my Kris Dream dolls, and I'll put the links down to the different places that I use for you to be able to see. Let's see, where's Kris Dream? This is her page, and a lot of her dolls are on sale, and so we're going to actually build a doll and put her with a feller. Okay, so you see some of the ones that she has available. All right, so we are going to go back into, let's see, I need to, just for this one, since I'm building a new one, I want to build her. Okay, so I'm going to show where I'm building my new doll at. Okay, under Kris Dreams, we are going under women. Let's see, what do we have here? Let's see, those are sitting down, so those would not work good in a nightclub scene. Okay, let's see which one she is. Hold on a second. Let's see what's pre-made. I will use a pre-made doll. She looks like she works. Drop her in. Okay. And then I just want to kind of size her up again. But since I am using pre-made, copy her. From now on, I can just do it right here in the same scene. Okay? So I'm dropping her in the scene. And I'm making the scene bigger so I can see what my sizing is proportioned to and how big I want her. There, so she's in the club. Let's see. Let's see, who else can we find in the club? I think we might have to change up who's in the club to somebody that looks a little bit more clubbish. Because I think she looks more like she's ready for the club. And it's for no other reason that she's carrying a purse and everything. Okay, so I can put her right over there. You know what? Leave her there. Put the chair in the middle. And let's go find us a feller. How about that? Okay. There's no rhyme or reason. You add who you want to it. Let's see. So Kris Dreams. I do have some fellas with Kris. Let's see. Pre-made. Okay. I'm just resizing them up. Just giving you an example on how to use these tools. Okay, so something like that. I really don't need the chair, but we'll leave the chair there. Do we need to put another girlfriend or somebody in there? Let's add another girlfriend or something so it doesn't seem so like this would be a bad type of card or something to have a front of. Because as you see, the only thing I'm doing is just going through grabbing some of my dolls. Again, bringing it out, just using my arrow key to scale it down. Can't be taller than the picture. Oops, didn't mean to move that background like that. I wanted to move the chair out of the way though. Free up some disk space is talking to me. And let's see here. See, where is my? Cannot get to my other section here. Oh.